This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make liquid mycelium. First, gather your sterile equipment, including a pressure cooker, jars, and a scalpel. You'll also need a nutrient solution and a mushroom culture. Ensuring everything is clean and sterile is the most critical step for successful mycelium growth, preventing contamination from unwanted organisms. Next, prepare your nutrient solution. A common recipe involves combining 4% light malt extract and 0.5% yeast extract with water. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are fully dissolved. You can use a magnetic stirrer for consistent distribution, ensuring your mycelium has all the necessary food to thrive during its growth phase. Now, it's time for sterilization. Place your jars with the nutrient solution into a pressure cooker and sterilize them at 15 psi for 25 minutes. After sterilization, let the jars cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, carefully introduce a small piece of your mushroom culture into each jar within a sterile environment, like a still air box. Finally, incubate your inoculated jars at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next few days, you'll observe mycelial growth. Gently shake the jars daily to break up the mycelium and encourage faster, more even colonization. Once fully colonized, store your liquid culture in a refrigerator to slow down its metabolism. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.